Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are facing this issue, Windows cannot be installed on this disk, and if you click on show more options, this is a complete error. Windows cannot be installed on this disk. The selected disk is GPT partition style. If you are facing this issue, so this video is where I will show you how to troubleshoot and fix this issue. So basically we need to format our drive into the MBR partition in order to install the Windows 7 or any other Windows on it. So in here guys, we need to press shift and F10 key on our keyboard. So this is the shift and this is the F10. Together you need to press like this, and once you press like this, the command prompt should appear. You need to type at the command disk part, and now we need to type a list space disk. Now before proceeding with this step guys, make sure all the data will be deleted from your disk where you want to install the Windows. So we are good to go. So you can choose your disk with the size. And disk 0 is my SSD where I want to install the Windows 7. So I need to type first select disk and 0. Okay, and I need to press enter. Now we need to type here command clean. Now all the data will be lost from my disk 0, so I'm good to go with that. And once I press enter key, now you should be able to see the notification disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. So we have to close this now, and you need to close this as well. You need to go back again choose terms and conditions. Okay, and this time you can see highlighted option is showing up here, and you need to click on next option here, and your Windows will be installed on the disk. So this is how guys you can fix this issue. So I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.